This truck test is brought to you by Castrol Victon, performance that speaks for itself. Allied Concrete recently put on 4 new Freightliner Columbias, and New Zealand Trucking travelled south to Dunedin to check out one of the new Freightliners. The 8x4 Columbia looks good in Allied's colours. It's fitted with Goff's new G3 mixer. The concrete mixer was developed in a joint venture between Allied and Goff's engineering. The 6 cubic metre mixer has a number of safety features, including a wireless remote, which means the driver can operate the discharge from a safe position. A decent rear mounted camera helps the driver position the mixer and spread on the move. The Columbia has excellent off-road traction. An Allison 6-speed auto delivers the power via Meritor axles. Under the hood is a Cummins 340 horsepower engine. While the relatively low horsepower is noticeable when the truck's loaded on hills, but its overall performance is more than adequate, especially for a vehicle in this industry. Driver Neville Bremner has been driving concrete trucks for 43 years. He's impressed with the new Freightliner. Allied expect their concrete trucks to last. They still have a 1995 Freightliner in their fleet and expect this to go the distance too.